Hello everyone, Edgar here with Monarch Claims. I've gotten a lot of questions about the virtual inspection system that we have in place, so I wanted to show you how it works and why you should do it. Now, before we get started, this process is being implemented in response to COVID-19 and in an effort to keep our staff, our clients, and our public adjusters safe. And judging from the response that we've gotten thus far and how well it's doing, this process is definitely here to stay. All right, so let's get right to it. I want to show you guys how easy and simple it is to get started with the virtual inspection process. All right, so you want to get started by opening up your browser of preference. You'll go ahead and type on the search bar monarchclaims.com. So you'll see that in our homepage, you get an option to submit your policy for free review. And that's something that you may want to consider doing. But if you want to get started with a virtual inspection right away, you can just go ahead and click on X on the form that popped up and check out the navigation bar and look for virtual inspections. Now you'll see that the virtual inspection form pops up, and it is as simple as it states here on the site. So number one, you would start by submitting your policy and a brief description of your damages. Number two, once we review your policy, we compare it to the damages that you mentioned in our initial description, and then one of our adjusters will contact you to go ahead and schedule the virtual inspection. Now, when it comes to the virtual inspection, we really don't have a preference on what platform we perform that. The client can choose to have it done via Facebook, have it done via FaceTime, WhatsApp, or in many cases, the client can also choose to submit a video of the damages, videos and photos as well. Now, if the client does choose that route, we would show them exactly how to take that video or how to take those photographs to make sure that we don't miss any damage. Once we've determined that your damages can be claimed, we'll start the process right away. We'll send you our agreement, explain it to you thoroughly, and at that point, we can file the claim with your insurance company. Now, what's important here is that we're complying with the policy provisions. The policy states that you must report damages immediately upon being noticed to your insurance company. And that's what we'll be doing on your behalf. I'm not sure if at this point, insurance companies are sending out adjusters because of COVID-19. But what this ensures is that your claim will be first in line as soon as things get up and running again. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and fill out the form and show you how simple it actually is. You start by simply providing your name, your email address so that we can contact you back. Provide your phone number if you'd like. It's optional. You don't have to. And simply state the damages that you found or that you've noticed. It doesn't have to be anything a deep description or in detail. We just want to know what it is that you're looking at so that we can have an idea once we get your policy on that first step. You select the service that you're inquiring about, which is virtual inspection, and the type of damage that you have or the cause, and then you go ahead and upload your policy. Now, since we have an entire team dedicated to this initiative, you'll be contacted by an adjuster almost immediately. And then at that point, they can answer whatever questions you have and assist you in any way they can. Now, remember, we're here for you, even if you just simply have a question about a policy or about something that you noticed that you're unsure whether or not it can be claimed. There's no obligation to the service that we provide. As a company, one of our goals is to spread awareness and information about policies and coverages, specifically to homeowners and business owners. So don't be afraid to give us a call or just simply shoot us a message online, and we'll be glad to answer your questions free of charge, no obligations, and obviously no commitment.